Defective product in the store.
Good afternoon. How can I help you today?
Hi, I bought a blender here yesterday and it's not working.
Oh no, what's the problem with it?
I tried to use it, but it doesn't start.
I see. Do you have the receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Let me check. Yes, it was bought yesterday.
Yes, that's right.
Have you tried plugging it into a different outlet?
Yes, I tried that, but it still doesn't work.
It sounds like it's broken. Would you like to exchange it?
Yes, I would like to exchange it for a new one.
We have the same model in stock. Would you like to try it here?
Sure, let's test it.
Look, this one works fine.
Great, I'll take this one.
Do you want to add an extra warranty? It's $10 for an additional year.
Yes, I'll take that too.
Okay, here's your new receipt.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. We're happy to assist you.
Do you have any smaller models?
Yes, we have a smaller blender for $29.
Not today. Maybe next time.
No problem. We are open from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. every day.
Perfect. Thanks again.
Would you like a bag for your new blender?
Yes, please.
Here you go. Have a great day.
Thank you. You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Breakfast at the hotel.
Good morning. How are you today?
Good morning. I'm doing well, thanks. And you?
I'm good, thank you. Are you ready to have breakfast?
Yes, I'm quite hungry this morning.
Great to hear. Can I have your room number, please?
My room is 210.
Thank you. Breakfast is included, so feel free to help yourself.
Is it a buffet-style breakfast?
Yes, it is. You'll find the buffet over there by the window.
What's on the menu?
We have bread, pastries, fruit, yogurt, and cereal.
Do you have drinks?
Yes, we have coffee, tea, juice, and milk.
Can I take a few pastries?
Of course. Take as many as you'd like.
Thank you. Do you serve eggs?
Yes, we have scrambled eggs and fried eggs.
I'll try the scrambled eggs, please.
Great choice.
Can I choose my seat?
Yes, all tables are available.
I'll sit by the window. I enjoy the view.
That's a nice spot. It's a sunny day today.
Do you have butter or margarine?
Yes, the butter is right next to the jam and the honey.
Thanks. Can I get some more juice later?
Yes, feel free to refill your glass from the juice station.
Thanks. Until what time is breakfast served?
Breakfast is available until 9:30 a.m.
Great. This is my first breakfast in the U.S.
Welcome. I hope you enjoy it.
I'm sure I will. Thanks.
You're welcome. Enjoy your breakfast.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Help with the computer.
Oh no, my computer is so slow today.
Hi, what's wrong? You don't look happy.
Hi, I need to send an email before lunch, but my computer won't open the file.
I see. Does it show an error message?
Yes, it says program not responding.
Don't worry, this happens sometimes. I can help you.
Really? Thank you so much.
Sure. First, try closing the program.
Okay, it's closed now.
Good. Now open it again and wait a few seconds.
All right, it's opening.
Great. Can you see your file now?
Yes, it's working.
Perfect. Try sending the email.
Done. The email is sent.
Awesome.
Thank you for your help. I was really worried.
No problem at all. Happy to help.
Now I can relax.
Glad everything's okay.
Buy ticket at the bus station.
Hello, I need a ticket to New York, please. Of course. The next bus to New York leaves at 12 p.m. I'll take that one. How much is a one-way ticket? It's $30. A round trip ticket is $50. I'll just get a one-way ticket for now. Is it a direct bus? Yes, it's a direct route. The trip will take about 5 hours. That's great. Can I have a seat by the window, please? Yes, I'll get you a window seat. Perfect. I'll pay with my card. Is there a bathroom on the bus? Yes, there is a bathroom on board. Can I bring a small bag with snacks? Yes, you can bring snacks and a small bag. What is the cancellation policy? You can cancel your ticket up to 30 minutes before departure. Good to know. Thank you. You're welcome. Here's your ticket and receipt. The bus will depart from gate 3. The waiting area is right over there. Have a safe trip. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Problem with the heater.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
Hello, I have a problem with the heater in my room.
I'm sorry to hear that. What's the issue?
The heater isn't turning on. It's very cold in the room.
Oh, I see. What room are you in?
I'm in room 305.
Thank you. I'll check the system. Is it very cold there?
Yes, it's really cold. I'm wearing a jacket in bed.
I understand. Have you tried adjusting the temperature?
Yes, I've tried, but nothing happens.
Is the heater making any noise or light?
No, it's completely silent. It's not working at all.
All right, I'll send a technician to check it.
Can they come soon?
Yes, the technician is in the hotel right now.
Great, thank you.
When did you notice the problem?
I noticed it last night. It was already cold then.
I see. Would you like a portable heater in the meantime?
Oh, that would be great.
No problem. I'll bring one to you right away.
Thank you so much.
The technician will look at it soon.
Do you think he can fix it today?
Hopefully, yes. If not, we will give you a new heater.
And if it's still not working?
If the heater can't be fixed, we will offer you a different room.
Thank you. I appreciate your help.
Of course, we want you to be comfortable.
Should I stay in the room while I wait?
Yes, please stay in your room. We will be there shortly.
Thanks again.
No problem. Stay warm and have a good day.
Thank you. See you soon.
The broken kettle.
Good morning. Is the water boiling yet?
No, I don't think so. I pressed the button, but nothing happened.
Really? That's strange. We use this kettle every day.
I know. I checked the power, but it still doesn't work.
Let me see. You're right. There's no light at all.
I think the kettle is broken.
Oh no. How can we make tea now?
We can boil water in a pot on the stove.
That's a good idea. It'll just take a little longer.
Yes, but it's fine. I'll get the pot.
Okay, I'll get the cups and the tea bags.
We should buy a new kettle later.
Yes, maybe after work today.
I can go to the store this evening.
Thank you. That would be helpful.
No problem. I'll buy a simple one.
Perfect. Simple is good.
All right, let's make tea the old way today.
Sounds good to me.
Morning walk in the park.
Excuse me. Good morning.
Good morning. No problem.
I'm new here. Is this a good place to walk in the morning?
Yes, it is very nice. The path goes through the park and around the trees.
That sounds great. How long is the path?
It's about 3 kilometers if you walk the full loop.
Perfect. My name is Alex, by the way.
Hi, Alex. I'm Lily. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Do you come here often?
Yes, I come here almost every morning before work.
Me too. I like the fresh air and the quiet.
Yes, mornings are very peaceful.
What do you do for work, Lily?
I work in an office. What about you?
I'm a university student.
That's nice. Do you like studying?
Yes, I do. And walking helps me relax.
I agree. It's good for the body and the mind.
Well, I will continue my walk now.
Okay, enjoy your walk.
Thank you. Maybe I'll see you again.
Maybe. Have a nice day.
Getting help at the library.
Hello, can I help you find something?
Oh, yes, thank you. I am looking for a book.
No problem. Take your time. What kind of book do you need?
My English is not very good. I want an easy book.
That's okay. You're doing well. Do you want a book to practice English?
Yes, please. Simple English.
Great. We have some books for beginners. Please follow me.
Thank you. I feel shy when I speak English.
That's normal. Many people feel the same way.
I make many mistakes.
Mistakes are good. They help you learn.
Thank you. That makes me feel better.
These books are short and easy to read.
Oh, this one looks nice.
Yes, it's very popular with new learners.
Can I borrow this book?
Of course. Do you have a library card?
Yes, I do. Here it is.
Perfect. You can keep the book for 2 weeks.
Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. Keep practicing your English.
I will. Have a nice day.
You too. Good luck.
Waiting at the bus stop.
Excuse me, is this the bus stop for the number 5 bus?
Yes, it is. Are you going downtown?
Yes, I am. I'm not sure about the buses here.
That's okay. It can be confusing. The bus will come in about 8 minutes.
Oh, good. Thank you.
No problem. I'm Tom, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Tom. I'm Maria.
Nice to meet you too, Maria. Are you new in this city?
Yes, I am. I moved here last week.
Welcome. How do you like it so far?
I like it, but my English is not very good.
Your English is fine. You speak very clearly.
Thank you. I feel nervous when I talk to people.
That's normal. Practice helps a lot.
Yes, I try to practice every day.
That's great. Oh, look, the bus is coming.
Perfect. Thanks again for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too.
Pet at the park.
Hello, your dog is very cute.
Thank you. Her name is Bella.
Hi, Bella. My dog is called Rocky.
Rocky looks very friendly.
Yes, he loves to play. My name is Emma, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Emma. I'm Luis.
Nice to meet you too, Luis. Are you new here?
Yes, I moved here last month.
Welcome. Where are you from?
I'm from Mexico.
That's nice. Your English is good.
Thank you, but I make many mistakes.
That's okay. Everyone makes mistakes when learning.
Sometimes I feel nervous when I speak.
I understand, but this park is a great place to practice.
Yes, people here are very friendly.
Look at Bella. She runs very fast.
Yes, she runs faster than Rocky.
Maybe. Well, I have to go now.
Okay, it was nice talking to you.
Nice talking to you too. See you next time.
See you.